Good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss? Limit, the new chapter, limits and limits and derivatives. Limits and derivatives. Of 15 marks, weight is 15 marks, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. This is weight is 15 marks. So limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. Limit LT is nothing but limit x approach to a, x tends to a, both are same, x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. L belongs to real number, L belongs to real number and any value, defined value. L is nothing but defined value. So exist when the limit exists, limit x tends to f of x is equal to L. L is defined value. Next one, left hand limit. Left hand limit means limit x tends to a minus, for example 2 anko, for example 2 minus f of x. So this is x tends to L. Left hand limit is simply LHL. Left hand limit LHL dot h dot L. LHL. Limit x tends to 2 minus f of x. 2 minus is nothing but left hand limit less than 2. In the line, real line, the 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. The value, the a, for example, x tends to a minus a. The a value or 2 value goes to right to left, below. Less than 2 means below 2. This is left to a, left to 2. Okay, this is left hand limit 2 minus nothing but less than 2. Less than 2 means 1.99, 1.99, 1.97, 1.9, 1.8. This is the 2 approach to left side, go to left side. RHL, left hand limit. Limit x tends to a plus f of x. A plus is nothing but 2 plus, for example, value. 2 plus is nothing but x greater than 2. X greater than 2, x, the 2 approaches to right to 2. X goes to right side of 2. This one goes to right side. So left hand limit, right hand limit. So existence of limit. So this is also existence of limit. Only single function is given. Okay, so left hand limit 2 is equal to right hand limit 2 is equal to LO. And LH, left hand limit 2 exist and equal to L. Right hand limit 2 exist and equal to L. The both are equal and equal to L means the limit exists. The limit exists at x is equal to A or x is equal to B. Exist. Exist means what? Without the forms. In terminal forms. In terminal forms. What are the terminal forms? 0 by 0. 0 power 0. Infinity by infinity. Infinity power infinity. Infinity minus infinity. Infinity power 0 and so on. These are in terminal forms. Okay, should not be come. Value should not be come. These values in terminal forms should not be come. Barabarado. E type values barabarado. It comes. Bandare. Yen madbeku first simplify the function and Another one is apply the formula. All formulas are 0 by 0 form, internal forms. All formulas have the internal forms. Yesterday I discussed limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. So, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Okay, second one, limit x tends to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Apply sin 0, 0 by 0 internal form. Internal form andre apply the formula or simplify the given function. Okay, this one. Next third one, no, limit x tends to 0 tan x by x is equal to 1. No. Fourth one, limit x tends to 0 log of 1 plus x by x is equal to 1. No. Fifth one, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. No. Limit x tends to 0 a power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a. 2 power x minus 1 by x is equal to log 2. The formula depending on the base 2. A means log a. 2 power x minus 1 by x is equal to log 2. 10 power x minus 1 by x is equal to log 10. The formula. Next, limit x tends to 0 1 plus x whole power 1 by x is equal to e. Eighth one, limit x tends to 0, x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole power x is also e. Next, ninth one, limit x tends to 0 tan inverse x by x is 1. No. 10th one, limit x tends to 0 sin inverse x by x is equal to 1. No. These are fundamental formulas. So, for example, sin inverse 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So, these 10 problems basic formulas. So, after that, the related to the 10 formulas, related formulas, the fundamental related formulas. 11th one anko. This one, 11th one is related to 1. What is the another one? Limit x tends to a, x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n is equal to m by n into a power m minus n. Limit x tends to a, only x power n minus x power x minus a. Related here x power, this is 1, this is a power 1. So, here m is equal to n is equal to 1. Related formulas. Okay, next. 12th problem related to 2. Limit x tends to 0 sin m into x by x is equal to m. Sin 1 into x. This is sin x is nothing but sin 1 into x. Answer is 1. Sin m into x. Answer is m. Sin 2x by x 2. Sin 10x by x 10. Okay, clear? Next one. Next, third problem related to 13 one. Limit x tends to 0 tan mx by x is equal to also m. Same. Tan 5x by x is equal to 5. Tan 100x by x is equal to 100. This is the formula. Next, 14th one related to 4. Limit x tends to 0 log 1 plus a into x by x is equal to a. Log 1 plus a into x. This is 1 into x is equal to 1. A into x is equal to a. For example, log 1 plus 10x by x is equal to 10. Log 1 plus 10x by x is equal to 10. 100x by x is equal to log 1 plus 100x by x is equal to 1. Okay. Simple formulas. So to every problem, every line, this is depending on the formula. Next, 15th one. The fifth related to 15th. Limit x tends to 0. This is not related. E power ax. E power ax is equal to e power a. So e power a into x minus 1 by x is equal to a. E power 2x. For example, e power 2x minus 1 by x is equal to, answer is 2. E power 5x minus 1 by x is equal to 5. So sixth, there is no related formula. Next, 17th one. 17th related one, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus a into x, or the 1 plus x whole power a by x is equal to e power a. 1 plus x whole power a by x. 1 plus x whole power a by x is equal to e power a. b by x is equal to e power b. Next, 18th one. 18th related. Limit x tends to, here a means what? Anyone, any number, negative, positive, fraction, any number. Next, 18th one, limit x tends to infinity, not 0, infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole power a into x is also e power a. 1 plus 1 by x whole power a into x is equal to 1 by a. So 19th one, related to 9. So limit x tends to 0, tan inverse mx. Tan inverse mx by x is equal to m. Tan inverse 2x by x is equal to 2. Tan inverse 3x by x is equal to 3. Okay. Next, 20 related to 10. So limit x tends to 0, sin inverse mx by x is also m. Sin inverse mx by m is also m. This is the formulas. First 10 fundamental formulas, next other 10 related to fundamental formulas. This is only fundamental. Here, for example, a instead of a bodulu 2 or 3 or 10 or 5 or 6 or this anyone. This is related to 10 problems. Okay. Only 10 related problems also another 10. So main thing. This main count is, first 10 is main thing. Okay. Next. So next one is algebra of limits. Next one, algebra of limits. Algebra. Suppose f of x and g of x are two functions f of x and g of x are two functions then f of x plus g of x is a function, f of x minus g of x function, f of x into g of x is a function. Okay, first point, limit x tends to a f of x plus g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x. Limit of sum of two functions. What is the meaning? Limit of sum of two functions is equal to limit of the first function plus limit of the second function, or is equal to limit x tends to a f of x plus limit x tends to a g of x. Limit of sum of two functions is equal to limit of the first function plus limit of the second function. Separate. Functions are separated by the limits. Each one have the limit. Limit that function. Limit that function. Not only 2, 3 or 4 and so on. Not limit. Okay. Not only 2 limits. For example, f1 of x plus not only 2. For example, limit x tends to a f1 of x plus f2 of x plus and so on plus fn of x is equal to, how many functions are there? N functions. So, limit x tends to a first function plus limit x tends to a second function plus and so on plus limit x tends to a last function. Not only two functions, infinity. Okay, next one. Second point, limit x tends to a f of x minus g of x is equal to difference of two functions. Limit of difference of two functions is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x minus limit x tends to a g of x. Next, third one. Limit x tends to a f of x into g of x. Limit x tends to a f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x into limit x tends to a g of x. So, plus means plus, minus minus, into. But what difference? Separate by the limits. Next one, fourth one. Limit x tends to a f of x by g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x by g of x is equal to limit x tends to a f of x by limit x tends to a g of x. This is the main 4 algebraic limits. Next, another one. Limit x tends to a lambda into f of x. Limit x tends to a lambda into f of x is equal to limit of constant is equal to constant. Limit of 10. Any x tends to any. Limit x tends to 10, 10 and 10. Limit of constant is equal to constant. So, limit x tends to say into lambda into f of x is equal. Lambda is a parameter or constant. Limit x tends to a lambda into f of x is equal to lambda into limit x tends to a f of x, where lambda is a parameter. The properties of a limits, ORR, algebra of limits, so many. Okay, next. limit x tends to a, x square is equal to, limit x tends to a, x square is equal to what? Substitute x tends to a means x approach to a means what? X is equal to a. Substitute x is equal to a in the given function. So a square is equal to a square. Limit x tends to a, e power x is equal to e power a. Limit x tends to a, x power n is equal to a power n. Only substitute x instead of a, x badilu a. So limit x tends to a, limit x tends to a power x, a power x is equal to a power a. So anything e power minus x. So e power minus a. Okay, e power minus x is e power a, and so on. Okay, so this is the properties and some more small problems. Okay, so tomorrow I will continue the next one problems, maximum problems exercise. I will start exercise. Okay, so today all are read formulas perfectly, all are read formulas perfectly. So